Good afternoon. I am coming to you from Kentucky, here along the Ohio River. I am in South Shore / South Portsmouth. I said it backwards, but you get the idea. And yes, I'm here for another Amtrak station tour. You're going to want to see this one. Come along with us, let's go make some memories. Alright, so here's our usual sign. Amtrak sign with the phone number and website. Then coming along this side, we've got a drop-off, driver drop-off and pickup right here. I'm guessing that's for Uber, just somebody who's dropping off a passenger. We've got the building with the brick. Looks like it's well maintained. South Shore Station. So see, on this sign they call it South Shore, South Portsmouth, and here it's just South Shore. So station hours are Wednesday. Station hours are Wednesday, Friday, Sunday from 5 to 8:30 and 9:30 to 11. I'm here on a Sunday and it's locked like I suspected it would be. So look, let's see what you can see. It's literally just this inside area. It'd be easier to see through here. See, there's a bench here and a trash can. And then coming along the other side of the building, here we go. There's another bench. You see right down here there's a bench. And then there's the bench across the way that we saw on a fire extinguisher. So there's not much to this actual station. And we've got our platform out here. This is our platform looking in this direction. You see the beautiful hills of Kentucky. And the bluegrass, all that good stuff. There's a vape shop. It says vape and more right there. There's a traffic light. There's a Speedway gas station, which that's good to know, because if you're coming to catch the train, there is a Speedway station that's open. So you can get yourself snacks, drinks, all that kind of stuff like we always tell you. That's cheaper if you do it there, usually, than it is on the train. So then walking back in this direction, here is our sign. South Shore. There's the hours again that I had mentioned when I first walked by. And then here we've got our wheelchair lift storage. But the wheelchair lift is not in there. The wheelchair lift is actually over here. Right here, they got it outside. Right underneath the sign here. And then walking this way down the rest of the platform to the end here. And there's something I want to point out to you guys. This building here is maintained by CSX. You can see their work vehicle right out there. I don't know what this building was here originally, if it was part of Amtrak or something else. But you can see Amtrak's, this is still the platform, because there's still their sign here as well. Now the thing I want to point out is, you see how there's a double track system coming through here. There's actually an auxiliary line right here where that doesn't look like it's in the greatest of shape, but there's an auxiliary line for them to store freight train cars, that kind of stuff. But the reason why I say about the double line is the thing that I noticed. Look how it's paved. Stay behind the yellow line. You walk out here, across the first set of tracks to the second set. So depending on which way the Amtrak train is traveling, which line it's on, you don't have to walk through the stone. They've got this paved over here, so you're able to walk and load the train right here. So that's kind of cool. It'd be cool if a train came right now. I'm actually standing right between the tracks. That'd be kind of cool. Scary. I wouldn't stay here, but it'd be kind of cool. So as you can see, there's not too much to this station. It's very small, very simple. But you can tell by looking at it, the way it's painted, the way it's kept up, the little small building that's up here, it's well maintained. It's definitely well maintained. Now driving here along US Highway 52, I didn't see anything else of note. So I didn't see like any particular restaurants or anything. The only business I saw since arriving here was the Speedway. Now one thing I did point out, I see somebody left their Frappuccino drink down here. I hate that when people litter. But that's the one thing I noticed, was the trash can is inside the station. They don't have an exterior trash can out here. It's like if I had anything to throw away right now, I don't know where I would put it. But this is our station. Very simple. Here's one last look at the area. There's going to be some noise from all this traffic. very simple, a very small station. Like I said, there's not much to it. It's only open 3 days a week. So that means the trains are only passing through here a couple times a week, and they're passing through early in the morning and late at night. So this station doesn't get used a ton, I'm guessing. I don't know how many passengers there are for this station on an annual basis, but I'm guessing it's a pretty small number. But it still is, the community, Amtrak, whoever it is that's responsible for maintaining this platform has done an excellent job. So I got to commend you on that. So alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, thanks so much for watching. Please make sure you hit that like button right down there. Also, if you're not currently subscribed, hit that subscribe button. We're getting a lot of views on our channel recently, but a lot of the views are coming from non-subscribers, and we want to change that. We want to finish 2025 strong. We're putting out a push for 6,000 subscribers, so by the time you watch this, if it's later in the year, maybe if it's even 2026, because we like to put out this evergreen content with all the station tours, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, because that'll help us out. You'll also hit that notification bell. You'll be notified, because every weekend we post one of these new Amtrak station tours. We have a playlist on the channel where we've got well over 120, 125 videos of Amtrak stations for everywhere from Florida to Maine to Arkansas to now here in Kentucky. We're going to eventually hit all 500 plus. So if you're subscribed and this is the kind of thing you like, we also do other train content on board the Amtrak trains, room tours, tips for riding in coach, Brightline, which is the train system down in Florida and soon to come out to California to Vegas, the Brightline West. We do train, we do travel. We also have a cruise channel, PrimeTime Cruisers. Check that one out. I'll put a link down below in the description where we do the similar content like this, but it's all about cruise ships. That's all we talk about on that channel is cruise ships. We also have a keto-friendly channel. My wife's doing keto diet, and she started off that channel recently, so she's just getting her feet on the ground on that one. I'll put the link down there too for that one. Show her some love. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. We appreciate each and every one of you that watches these. I know some people don't stick around to the end, so you're not even hearing this part, but I just want to say, whether you watched the video from the beginning, you only watched half of it, or if you're still here and you made it all the way through, thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a blessed day. Stay safe out there. We'll see you on the rails. We'll see you on the road. We'll see you on the seas. We'll see you everywhere. But most importantly, we'll see you soon.